How to convert Solana to USDT in MEXC. So after you open up the MEXC exchanger like this now, tap on this more button. So in this more button, all you have to do now, tap on this convert section. After you open the convert section like this now, all you have to do now, tap on this option now. Here is already USDT. So now tap on this option now to select the Solana. So now go ahead and search for Sol in this option. Go ahead and type in SOL. So after you type in Solar like this, Sol. So now here is Solana, tap on it. After you select the Solana, here is it as you can see now. Here is USDT and here is Solana. So now tap on this arrow to switch. So now you switch. Here is Solana and here is USDT. All you have to do now, go ahead and type in the amount of the Solana you want to exchange to USDT. So let's say I want to just exchange like 5 Solana, 5 Sol. After you input the amount in this option now, here you can be able to see the amount of USDT you would be receiving. Now if you tap on this convert button, it will convert your Solana into USDT. Now if you go back and go to asset under the exchanger, you'll be able to see the balance of the USDT you get by exchanging your Solana into USDT. And that's it, guys.